In this video, we're going to show you how to replace the fuel pressure sensor on your Ford Focus. This will be located on top of the engine. Let's get started. Open the fuse box in the engine bay. We're going to remove the fuel pump relay. Remove the relay. If you use a pair of pliers, be very careful not to break the relay. With the relay out, go into the car, start the car, and let it die out. It should stall out after about a minute. Put the relay off to the side. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the top nut. Pull the pole out and lift the bracket up. Remove the plastic shield. Remove the bracket. Using a 10mm socket, loosen the negative terminal. Pull the negative terminal off, put it to the side. Remove the connector off the sensor, push on the top tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Pop the hose off of the sensor. There may be fuel in this line. Have a rag handy. I like to put the rag around it as I take it off. Pull the hose to the side, out of the way. Using a 7mm socket, remove the 2 bolts. Remove the 2 bolts. Remove the sensor. I'm going to wrap a rag around it and pull straight up. I had a rag wrapped around it. When we pulled it off, there was a bit of fuel that spilled out. Install the new sensor, line it up, push straight down. Make sure the O-ring is fully seated. Install the bolts. Get the bolts nice and snug. Torque the fuel pressure sensor bolts to 44 inch-pounds. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a push, make sure it's locked on. Pull the hose back over, install it onto the sensor. Make sure it's fully bottomed out. Install the relay. Close the box. Install the negative battery terminal. Snug it down. Install the cover. Install the bracket. Pull the pole out, install it into the bracket, and snug the nut down. Go inside of the car, and with the key in the on position, come back outside to the hood and double check for leaks at the sensor. If there's no leaks, you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.